Come and enjoy maintenance-free city living, just minutes from everything historic downtown Aurora has to offer. Large great room with hardwood floors opens up to the kitchen and dining space. The kitchen has beautiful 42-inch cabinetry, granite countertops, desk area, breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. Living room has sliding glass door with transom above leading out to balcony. Good-sized balcony facing west for great sunset views. Primary bedroom. Two closets. Primary bath with granite top, dual sink, vanity, and full-size shower with tile surround and glass doors. Second bedroom. Full bath with shower tub combo. The laundry is conveniently located in utility room off entry. Underground heated and secure parking with storage unit adjacent. Assigned parking space.